Welcome to Artaran House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this bamboo planter. For that, you can use any container, any shape or any size, and to make that, the following materials are required. So let's get started with the procedure. First and foremost, we have to make the paper rolls. For that, you need a magazine paper which is little thick and glossy, and to get uniform paper rolls, it's always better to use the papers from the same magazine. After making the paper roll, you just notice the ends are not strong enough. So we need to cut them. To get the planters in different heights, you can cut the container accordingly. And as this container is made of cardboard, you can cut it very easily with this cutter. Here, I want the planter to be wide. So I am taking this container and I already cut it to the required height. After making the paper rolls, the next step is to stick the paper rolls on the container. Cut the paper roll little taller than the container to hide the rim of the container. And to stick, I am using Fevicryl fabric glue. So let's stick the paper roll. And the next step is to paint the paper rolls. Here I am using Fevicryl fabric paint, and I am using the color yellow ochre to get the natural bamboo color. After doing 2 coats of paint, let it dry completely. So now it's time to do the finishing part. Here I am using MCM to make small balls and stick them on this part. to make them look like stones. You can directly stick the stones if you want. Now start making the small balls and place them directly on the rim of the container. Here you don't have to use any glue because the M seal is little soft. If it is not soft, if it is dry, you can use Fevicryl fabric glue and stick them. Now the planter is ready. Give 2 coats of this varnish spray, then it becomes waterproof as it is a planter. To know more about how to use this varnish, please watch my video number 1. Now talking about the plants, this plant is one of the varieties of Dracaena and commonly known as lucky bamboo. You can grow it either in water or in soil. So how to propagate this plant? You can see this plant. There's a new plant growing from side. So you just cut it and put it in water and new roots will develop in 10 to 15 days. This is how you can make these bamboo planters at home very easily and without spending much. This is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.